Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a house with a garden. Let's start drawing. I start drawing the house. I draw a big rectangle. I draw the roof. Now I draw the door. And the windows. And then I draw another one. Great! Finally, I draw a heart in the middle and a chimney on top. Then I draw bushes on both sides. I draw some flowers in it. Next to the house, I draw a simple tree. I start with its trunk. And then the leaves. We also draw the sun and some clouds. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I use the colors of the rainbow, red, then orange, yellow for the door, green, blue, light purple, purple, and pink, fuchsia, let's use the colors of the rainbow again. Red, orange, yellow, and green. Light blue, light purple. I colored the trunk of the tree with brown. Then I use green for the leaves. Green for the grass. Light green. Dark green. I colored the sun with yellow and use light blue for the clouds. And finally, I add a little light blue to the background. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.